gives you basic syllables. Firstly, vowels. A, I, U, E, O. The rest is consonants. First row, k-based. Ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. S-based. Sa, shi, su, se, so. T-based. Ta, chi, tsu, te, to. N-based. Na, ni, nu, ne, no. H-based. Ha, hi, fu, he, ho. M-based. Ma, mi, mu, me, mo. Ya-based. Ya, you, yo. R-based or L-based. La, li, ru, re, lo. W-based. Wa, o. And the last syllable, n. The second chart talks about modified syllables called rakuon. G-based. Ga, gi, gu, ge, go. Z-based. Za, ji, zu, ze, zo. D-based. Da, ji, zu, de, do. B-based. Ba, bi, bu, be, bo. P-based. Pa, pi, pu, pe, po. The third chart is of sound combinations. They end with a, u, or o. Kya, kyu, kyo. Sha, shu, sho. Cha, chu, cho. Nya, nyu, nyo. Hya, hyu, hyo. Mya, myu, myo. Rya, ryu, ryo. Gya, gyu, gyo. Ja, ju, jo. Bya, byu, byo. Pya, pyu, pyo.